What does the passage say? If you haven't yet opened your preferred Bible to Luke 4:16, open Luke 4:16 from the command box. We'll ask obvious questions such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. By gathering answers to these simple questions about the passage, we gather information to help us understand its context.
Isn't that the coolest thing? Next to Kool-Aid. This is part 2, because I actually hit the wrong button when I went to hit volume. So I'm hoping you can hear this. But this is what they have to offer. This is the basic Bible series, Logos 10. This is the basic one, okay? They got more to offer you for different premium packages. So back on my homepage, to kind of wrap this up here, you get a free book plus extra volumes that are on sale. You can get it now, so you can actually, you can shop, you can study, you can buy presents and gifts for your friends, your family, and loved ones, your ministries. It's a great tool to help with ministry training. For group studies, they kind of have it all. So zooming in, just kind of giving you what's on my homepage. If I want to get the training Bible by Fred Sanders, BLA University has give thumbs up on that. Deeply informed, elegantly written. There's On Death and Eternal Life, the Patriarchs. That's a series right there. So they also have this right here is Logos Live. Now, they have a blog at FaithLife, and the Logos Live helps you utilize the software to the best of your abilities. And it's really kind of cool that they have put this on your homepage. So you can just spend a couple hours just getting used to the Logos Bible software and going through your program, the software. You can build your library up. You can also bid on books, which I haven't done yet because it's community pricing. So the community places the bids and places the pricing on the books, I should say. There's sermon preparations as part of your workflow. There's excerpts. I mean, there's so much here. So much here that you can simply just be exhausted and viewing. FaithLife has their blog, and see they're saying right here, Logos 10 is here. It's arrived, new and approved, and it's simpler to use. And with the navigational guide right here, your toolbar, it really does make it really simple to use. So first, I want to go back to my library. I can just either scroll down, or I can do a library scan of my books. Click a book and begin enjoying reading and taking notes. Okay? So if I want to go back to my Bibles, voila, there's my Bibles. And it readies your screen in real time. And anything that I want to scroll down, it just drops it in real time. It's the coolest thing, you guys. Well, let's Logos Bible Software 10. Logos 10, in other words. There's a link in this video, and you can get your hands on Logos 10. And let me know what you think about it, by the way. Let me know what you think about this review. Logos 10 is a spot for biblical scholars, for theologians, and if you just want to study and just immerse yourself in just knowing about the scriptures, knowing about theology, knowing about the history of the Bible, history of the kingdom, knowing about scholars, and it's all in a program, Logos 10. Thank you for listening. Get your copy of Logos 10 in this description below. And remember to subscribe and follow me for more teachings and maybe some more reviews coming real soon.